Welcome back to Items IQ. Today we're diving into the top 17 must-have gadgets for every home and kitchen. Whether you're looking to simplify your cooking, organize your space, or add a touch of convenience to your daily routine, these gadgets are game changers. Let's get started. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set makes prepping garlic and ginger effortless. Its ergonomic design crushes unpeeled cloves with minimal effort, keeping your hands clean and odor-free. Cleanup is simple, just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Durable and rust-resistant, this versatile tool also handles ginger, seeds, and nuts, making it a kitchen essential. Try it today and taste the difference. The Mini Bag Sealer, your all-in-one tool to keep food fresh. This compact USB rechargeable gadget lets you seal and cut bags in seconds. No more stale snacks or food waste, simply reseal any bag to lock in freshness and save on groceries. Designed to be eco-friendly and super convenient, this 2-in-1 sealer is a must-have for every kitchen. Perfect for chips, fruit bags, candy, and more. Take control of your food's freshness with the Mini Bag Sealer, the Anchor Under Desk Elliptical, your ultimate way to stay active while sitting. Perfect for home or office, this compact, motorized exerciser lets you track time, speed, calories, and more on its built-in display. Choose from auto or manual modes with multiple speed levels to match your workout needs. The large anti-slip pedals and whisper quiet motor make it ideal for discreet use, promoting circulation and keeping you moving without distraction. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker. This 4-inch non-stick waffle iron heats up quickly, just add your batter, and in minutes, enjoy perfectly shaped mini waffles every time. The non-stick PTFE surface ensures easy release and cleanup, while its compact design makes it perfect for any kitchen. Safe and user-friendly, it's ideal for kids and families, letting you whip up breakfast or a quick treat in a flash. Enjoy endless waffle fun with Dash. The Omea 2-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser. This clever gadget combines a soap dispenser and sponge holder in one, making washing dishes quicker and more efficient. It has an 8.5 FL Oz capacity, so you won't need frequent refills, and its leak-free, BPA-free design ensures safe, mess-free use. Each pump dispenses just the right amount of soap, helping reduce waste. Perfect for keeping your sink area organized and hassle-free. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Egg Separator. This versatile tool features a raised edge for easy egg cracking and a built-in separator to effortlessly separate yolks from whites. Its design prevents drips from spilling, keeping your countertops clean, and it fits most bowls while providing a comfortable, non-slip grip. With over 4,800 ratings and a trusted brand behind it, this kitchen essential is perfect for baking or cooking with ease. The HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry basket. Each waterproof hamper has a spacious 75L capacity, perfect for clothes, toys, or linens. Featuring a freestanding design, reinforced handles, and premium fabric, these hampers are built to last. They're collapsible for easy storage and ideal for any setting, be it your dorm, family home, or even camping trips. Enjoy the convenience of a tidy space and hassle-free laundry with this stylish solution. The Hunter Dual 15-piece Kitchen Knife Set. This all-in-one set features high-quality stainless steel blades that are both stain and rust-resistant. Enjoy precision cutting with an array of knives, including an 8 chef's knife, 7 santoku knife, serrated bread knife, and 6 steak knives, all housed in a stylish wooden block with a built-in sharpener. The ergonomic anti-slip handles ensure comfort during use, while the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, this knife set combines functionality and durability for every kitchen task. The Guido Manual Food Processor Vegetable Chopper. This 2-cup chopper features a unique 3-blade design that delivers consistent results in seconds with just a few pulls of the string. Made from surgical-grade stainless steel, it resists bending and rusting, while the non-slip base ensures stability during use. With BPA-free materials, it's safe for all your cooking needs, and cleanup is effortless. Just disassemble and toss it in the dishwasher. Perfect for quickly chopping vegetables, fruits, nuts, and herbs, this compact chopper is a must-have for any kitchen. The Paizo Kitchen Unique Gadgets Set. Featuring 6 essential tools: a cheese grater, ginger grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, peeler, and herb stripper. Designed for space-saving storage, these high-quality stainless steel gadgets are comfortable to use and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Perfectly packaged, this set makes a great gift for any cooking enthusiast. The Hi-Ho Black Walnut Wood Table Mat Set. This beautifully crafted octagonal trivet set not only serves as a decorative piece but also provides effective heat insulation, protecting your surfaces from hot pots and pans. Its creative tree-shaped design adds an artistic touch to any setting. Made from durable, heat-resistant wood, this set is perfect for gifts, making it an ideal choice for holidays or housewarmings. The HConnectMe 360° rotation utility hooks. This set of 2 nail-free adhesive hooks easily installs under cabinets, allowing you to hang utensils, towels, and more without damaging surfaces. Made from durable materials with a sleek black finish, each hook can support up to 2 kilograms and rotates 360 degrees for versatile storage options. Perfect for organizing your kitchen, they also work great in closets or entryways for keys and bags. The blue ginkgo over the sink colander strainer basket is a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep. Stretching from 14 to 19 inches, it easily fits over most sinks for rinsing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, or air-drying dishes. The raised bottom prevents water backup, while evenly spaced holes ensure food stays secure. Made from BPA-free plastic, it's durable and heat-resistant. The Perico refrigerator deodorizer lasts up to 10 years, using advanced technology to eliminate odors without chemicals or power. Made from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, it's effective, eco-friendly, and fits in any space. A perfect gift for freshening up kitchens and more. The Reletad candle lighter is a USB rechargeable, windproof, and flameless lighter ideal for home and outdoor use. Its electric arc technology is eco-friendly, providing over 60 uses per charge and lasting for more than 300 recharges. Featuring a safety switch to prevent accidental activation, it's easy to charge with any USB port. Choose from multiple stylish colors. The bonsai paper shredder is perfect for home or small office use, shredding up to 6 sheets of paper and credit cards into tiny crosscut pieces. Its compact design features a handle for easy portability and a 3.4-gallon wastebasket that holds up to 180 sheets. Enjoy hassle-free operation with auto start-stop, manual reverse, and overheat protection for longevity. Shred continuously for up to 3 minutes before needing a cool down. The Trio Space Heater is a portable electric heater designed for indoor use, offering rapid heating with its 1500 WPTC ceramic system. With a sleek 10-inch tower design, it features a digital display, remote control, and a 12-hour timer for convenience. Safety is prioritized with tip-over protection, overheat protection, and flame-resistant materials. It allows precise temperature control from 4195 def and operates quietly at just 34 dB, making it ideal for bedrooms and offices. And there you have it, our top 17 picks for home and kitchen gadgets that make life easier and more enjoyable. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.